How in the heck do you guys mess this up more than you did the first time? I mean, sort of. I mean, there's only one broken heatsink this time. It's pretty clearly broken. I mean, that's a pretty clear gap. I don't think the transistor's broken. Actually, I'll use this as a light. It looks fine. Oh, wow. Yeah, no, the other side's broken too. This literally just came in today. Wait, do I look at it through the... Okay. No, that one's loose. Ooh, that one's nice and tight. And that one's okay too. I mean, the solder doesn't seem to be wiggling, so it might be good. But I mean, this is loose, and oh, is it bent too? So the one screw is loose, and the thingy's bent. I don't get even how that could happen. Something would have had to have physically gone in there. It would have had to have... Like, how? This one's missing the screw. I checked the bag. I couldn't find it. The other ones are loose, but I mean, I guess that's somewhat normal. Everything is really, really loose. Actually, are all the screws on the top? Okay, those are all there. I guess it's normal for the control board to be bent in because it was just like the last one. The fans definitely worked, unless they're supposed to be heat controlled, in which case they don't, because they did not speed up or slow down unless the battery was going low. It also would be nice if this thing has a voltage that was like normal, like 12 volt car battery voltage or house power, something that's not... people don't have 60 volts of good batteries laying around all the time. Alright, I honestly don't know what else to say. Thank you for viewing this. Hopefully, I mean, I even said I just want my money back. The hassle wouldn't have been there. I wouldn't have been worried about, you know, whatever. I'm gonna test it anyway, obviously, because I'm gonna have to use parts from the other one to get this one to not be all messed up. Why is there so much echo in my house? To get this stuff all not to be loose and bent and all that crap. Not these things, because I can't solder worth crap, but I just mean the screws to mount the actual thing to connect and heat up. And I'll hook it up to whatever power source I can get. Right? I mean, it says it's 12 to whatever volts. And I'll see how it works. If it works better than the other one, then I'm still going to send you guys this message because it needs to be noted. I mean, even for just hilarity's sakes of... Well, no, I mean, send me the screws at least. Come on. But you know, I'm sure someone's gonna have a laugh at how you messed up this badly, or someone, you know, I don't know who you shipped it by, but how does someone mess up so badly that they make something worse than they're replacing it with? I'm probably gonna have to chop this video into pieces because I think you have a weird size limit thing or something. All right, thanks. Sorry for having a like 12 piece video if I do have to do that.